These problems are very important in point of examination. ಈ ಟೈಪು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3 marks question. First problem 3, 5, 1 minus 1. This one can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Call the matrix as A. Let A equals 3, 5, 1 minus 1. Next, transpose means A dash. What is A dash? A dash means 3, convert row into column, 3, 5, 1 minus 1. This is A dash. Next, symmetric matrix ಬೇಕು. Symmetric matrix ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ sum A plus A dash ಬೇಕು. So, let P equals half into A plus A dash. So, half into, what is A? This is A, this is A dash. Add these two. 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2. Divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, divide ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, 3, 3, 3, minus 1. This is P. Check ಮಾಡಿ. First row, first column same ಇದೆ. Second row, second column same ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ it is symmetric matrix ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ we have to prove. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. What is P dash? P dash equals transpose it. 3, 3, second column row become second column 3 minus 1. So compare. This implies P dash equals P. ಯಾವಾಗ P dash equals P ಆಯಿತು, therefore P is a symmetric matrix. Therefore P is a symmetric matrix. This is one part. Next, take skew symmetric matrix. So skew symmetric matrix means, let us take let Q equals half into A minus A dash. Okay. Next, half A minus A dash. A is there, A dash is there. Subtract 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 5, minus 4. Minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, 0. Divide by 2, yes. 0 by 2, 0. 4 by 2, 2. Minus 4 by 2, minus 2. 0 by 2, 0. This is Q. Check. 0, 2, 0 minus 2. Principal diagonal elements are 0. Secondary means corresponding elements are same with the opposite sign. Means it is a perfect ಆಗಿ skew symmetric matrix. But prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? So Q dash ಮಾಡಿ. What is Q dash? Interchange rows into columns. 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Take negative, take minus as common. What happens? 0, 2 plus 2 become minus 2, 0. Nothing but what? Q. 0, 2, minus 2, 0. So minus Q. This is Q dash. So what happens here? Q dash equals minus Q. Q dash equals minus Q means Q is a skew symmetric. Therefore Q is skew symmetric matrix. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ what we have proved here? So P is a symmetric ಆಯಿತು, Q is a skew symmetric ಆಯಿತು. Next, consider P plus Q. What is P? The P means here 3, 3, 3 minus 1. 3, 3, 3 minus 1 plus Q. What is Q? Here Q. 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Add these two. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. Minus 1. 3, 5. 1 minus 1. ನೋಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 3, 5. 1 minus 1 means the given matrix A. So A ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. This is P plus Q. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ what is the meaning here? P is a symmetric, Q is a skew symmetric. Plus means sum. So sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix is equal to a given matrix. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ every square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Let us take this is the second problem. The problem is 1 5 minus 1 2. We have to express this matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So same, let us call the given matrix as A. Let A equals 1 5 minus 1 2 dash, transpose it, S 1 5 minus 1 2, that is A dash. So let P equals half into A plus A dash. So half into, yes, add this two, A is there, A dash is there, 1 plus 1 2, 5 minus 1 4, minus 1 plus 5 4, 2 plus 2 4. Divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, divide ಮಾಡಿ, divide by 2, what happens? 1 2 2 2, that is P dash. P dash equals ರೋನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 2, ರೋನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 2. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ P dash equals P. ಯಾವಾಗ P dash equals P ಆಯಿತು, therefore P is a symmetric matrix. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ one part ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ Q equals half into A minus A dash. Okay, half into A minus A dash. So half ಆಗೇ ಇರಲಿ, A is there, A dash is there, subtract 1 minus 1 0, 5 plus 1 6, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6, 2 minus 2 0. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 0 3 minus 3 0. Transpose it, Q dash equals 0 3 minus 3 0. Next, take negative common, minus common, 0, this is 3, this is minus 3, this is 0. Observe, 0 3 minus 3 0, nothing but Q, right? So Q, this is Q dash. So what is the meaning? Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So second part is over. Next, third part, that is consider. What we have to consider? Consider P plus Q. P plus Q. What is P? P means here 1 2 2 2, 1 2 2 2 plus Q. Q means what? Here 0 3 minus 3 0, 0 3 minus 3 0. Add these two, 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 3 5, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 plus 0 2. Next what happens? So observe here, 1 5 minus 1 2, nothing but the given matrix 1 5 minus 1 2 ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ P ಪ್ಲಸ್ Q. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ A is a given matrix, A is a given square matrix. So every square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So exam ge 3 marks question. So for P is a symmetric part, idikke 1 marks. So Q na skew symmetric anta prove madkondre 1 marks. Last for conclusion, this is 1 marks. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೋದು ಏನಂತ, therefore every square matrix is expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric